want to say thank you to all the musicians. I was behind the stage watching and listening to everyone. I love your music. I just wish I could sing like you. I have no music ability. In church, when we clap, I have to watch somebody else so I know when to clap. I have no rhythm. I want to say thank you to all the churches, to the pastors, for their support. I want to say thank you to the General Committee, the executive leadership, to the ushers and counselors. Reverend Franklin በአክብሮት እንድትቀበሉ በልሳኖች Okay, I think that works now. Good afternoon. Jesus is the way, the truth, and life. No man comes to the Father but you. Now you're here tonight. I believe that Jesus is your son. I believe that I forgive my sins. She's raised my life.